Here is a shop, gift shop, souvenir shop actually. Oh, daming departure ngayon ah. It's
ano, parang
11:36
Hindi
na.
masyadong
Oh,
tahimik
arrival.
ngayon, no?
Arrival yan.
Arrival
Hindi
na.
masyadong tahimik ngayon, no?
Oo.
Maraming tao.
Haha. Diyan kami na. Ganito pala yung tsura pag may tao. It's a big LED screen right there. Okay daw. Uy! May bago siya, no? May bago. Hindi, dati wala yan. Holy mackerel. Dito na tayo dadaan sa gitna. Ayan na yung daanan. Ah, shit. Wala. Di ba dati dito, oh? Dito yung daanan dati, oh. Ito yung gift shop. Holy mackerel. Nag-iba na. Obvious naman na bago pa kasi may ganyan pa. And there's our gate. Same old gate. Nothing new. Hi guys, back to this place. And medyo sleepy na ako. It's 12 midnight, sakto. Yun lang. Wala magawa eh. Delayed yung flight namin. It's supposed to be 12:30. 1:25 na daw. Yun yung Air Canada. Doon yung lounge namin kanina. Somewhere there. Nakita yung Air Canada. Hindi pa rin maalis. Delayed din yung Air Canada. Dahil ngayon naalis na sila. 12:10. Nakalagay din. Bound to Hong Kong ata. Hindi ako magkamali. This view kind of reminds me of the HK International Airport, right? Kapag yung andito yung walkalator, then dyan yung boarding gate, di ba? Then sa kanan may boarding gate din, tas alternate sa CR and sa shopping center, shopping gift shop. Bangag na talaga. Uy, 747. Ito niyan. Anong airline yan? Bound to Taipei. Oh, Eva Air. Oh, I see. Oh, meron palang ganito dito eh. Carts. Mini carts. Saan meron palang ganito eh. Ba't dito nila nilagay? Hindi nila nilagay doon para hindi tayo nahirapan. Alright, so we're on our way back. And naspatan ko tong... On our way back to the gate. Yan, naspatan ko yung Philippine Airlines. Tail. Ito yan. Air. Pogi talaga, no? Saan? Dito man tayo. It's a massive tail. Okay, there we go. Ganda, no? Shit. I wanna fly that plane. Oh, ano? Unique. Ano masasabi mo? Gusto mo na dyan? Diyan ka na? Diyan ka na? Hindi mo tulog ka na? I spot the A&W. Hey guys, so we're riding a 776. I think I've been in this aircraft only once or twice. Yep, that's the RPC 776 as you can see there. It's a beautiful plane. Looks like a hawk. Oh, there's my baggage going in. Okay, so basically, yun yung gate namin. And nandito ako sa other side, di ba kanina nandito kami? So it's the other side of the airport. Walang magawa. I'm so dead bored. Boring talaga, promise. I'm checking out other gates. Parang, ayan, may arrival, daming tao dun. 72 to 77, 72 to 77. Oh, wait, what? There's a plane right there. Small plane. Maganda yung gate dito kasi secluded. Diba? May harang. Unlike dun, open na open. Aray ko. May gate pa dito. Gate 84. Yun, yun yung mga tao. Lalakad sila sa taas ko. Bridge yung nasa taas. Yun yung Philippine Airlines. Okay. Balik na lang ako sa gate. I'll try to sleep. Bye. Okay. Oh. Let's go. Heavy. Look. Pakita mo.
Boarding card lang po. 53.
Thank you. Morning. Yeah, morning na pala. Hello. Good morning. Right. Sakay na ko po na. Sarap. Really? Hello. Holy crap. I hate bringing stuffs. There's our seat. So it's now 1:15.
Kaya pala alam mo may laptop
Hindi
ko.
pa rin kami umaga.
May laptop ako dito pa.
Board to the... Right ako sa inyo yung plane. China Southern Cargo.
Anong ginagano ko sa tingway?
They're serving... Ano? Oh guys, nakabukas yung rear cabin ng China Southern Cargo. Yung back fuselage niya. Ayan, laki lang pintuan. Start of the runway. There we go. Lift off. BCIT campus. Nagre-retract na yung flaps. Yan na, naka-retract na. Bilis ah. Yan, as some of my subscribers would want to see is itong tag dito? Personal TV screens ng PAL. So, check out natin yung movies. Yung mga available. Eating dinner, fish, Coke, and I'm watching Journey 2. Hey guys, so I finished this movie, Journey 2. So it's 3:30 a.m. Vancouver time, and ito yung view sa labas. Maliwanag na naman. Yun lang. Time to go to bed. Alright, so it's 4 a.m. in Vancouver and I'm still awake because I'm watching this. I can see the sun right there. And now I'm gonna go to sleep. Really. Alright guys, 1:50 a.m. Ganyan nakaliwanag sa labas. Sa likod mas maliwanag. And breakfast is served. Chicken adobo sa akin. Let's see. There you go. Chicken adobo. Time to eat. Alright guys, down below is northern part of the Philippines, bandang doon, Lawag. And nakikita ko na yung dulo ng Philippines, ay yung basta, nakikita may land. Yun yung river. Cagayan River siguro. I'm gonna watch Backstreet Boys later. I'm seeing Civilization. Okay, we're turning right. See the wings. That's the Snake River. Ganda. Parang may bundok doon. Yep. That's yung bundok na malapit sa park. At Arayat ba yun? Can you see it? Ayan. Ayun, nakita niyo. Yan. Kita niyo na. Started our initial descent. Long runway 24. down na.
Ano yung mga bubog?
Oo nga po eh. Manila.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and will be landing in a few minutes. Please check in your seatbelts or seatbelts.
Full flags.
We will now be sitting in the cabin line.
Metro Manila.
Cabin crew landing station.
Yun na. We're back. Holy. That was a strong break. Uy. Penalty yun. Bayad ka ng $1. We're now disembarking. May araw na sa labas. First time namin na... Ano?
Kanina pag-duty parang araw mo.
Oo nga eh. Gulat nga rin ako. Summer pa rin kasi.
Akala ko sila.
Ganun na rin yun. Ay, kuha ka mabuhay magazine, kuha ka. Para kay Kuya Mitch. Dali. Kalimutan ko. Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Back in this place.
Diba na aeroplano yung ginawa ng Boeing? Kita mo?
Oo, hindi ko napanood. Mamaya ako papanoorin. Here's what the embarkation looks like.
Bumpy. First time ko may nakuli ng pangalan.
It's 3 p.m. Vancouver time. There we go. Hey, plane. Thanks for the ride.
11:30 Manila time?
Hindi,
It's an Airbus A330. Right? Sila, kung saan na sa plane.
O, dyan na kayo.
Bye-bye. Pogi talaga mo, 777.
Na mamaya.
Init na. Dito kami sa immigration. Yung mga visitors. Carousel 5 kami mamaya. Kadadating ko lang, dumating na agad itong mga to. Yung carousel. Tignan natin kung may lalabas pang bag namin. Oh, there it is. Is this ours or what? Yep, this is ours. Dalawa na lang. So, videoan ko na lang sila. Yung mga tao. Listen, ito na naman yung cart ko. Kumakaliwa na naman. Bye na iya to. Day 19. Asim ko na. 24 hours walang ligo. Bye plane.
Puntakin natin si Bon. Para madala mo na to kasi tuwing Sunday. Malaki to eh. Malaki yung dala niya ngayon. Kailangan